Hey, what's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. I made this wall and I put the texture. I'm gonna make a video for that. If you're interested, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. You don't miss that video. Anyway, I wanna paint the wall, but I don't have a paint for this wall. I have to make a sample from the wall and go to Home Depot, do the paint match and come back and paint it. Let's do it. So I have to match the wall. You see these two colors different. I already used the color and I painted one time, but it's not matching. So I'm gonna get the piece of the drywall, not that drywall, just the cover on the drywall. So I will show you now. Here you can use a utility knife or any sharp knife. You just have to make a line on your drywall, do somewhere nobody can see it, like I'm getting a sample in the lower place on the wall and behind the refrigerator, so nobody can see it if I mess it up. So don't go in the front of your eyes or somewhere in the top, everybody can see it. So I take the sample here and then I go to Home Depot, do the match and come back and paint it and fix this one. I went to Home Depot and I matched the paint. The paint is matching, but if I want to match exactly, I have to paint the whole wall because this is the old paint and this is new one, so that's why you have to match the whole wall. So, and this is the area I took the sample, so I'm gonna go ahead and patch that and show you how to fix it and sand it and paint that area too. So you just need to get a spatula, and there is the product they call Drydex, is this one. It just is pink stuff, and when you put it on the wall, you patch the wall, when it get dry, turn to the white and you know it's dry. So I have this one, I already use it, so I'm gonna use this one to patch that. After finishing with the patching, I'm gonna let it dry and sand it and use the paint I just bought and paint it over, so it's behind the refrigerator, nobody can see it. Make sure to subscribe the channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home. Fix your home by yourself without paying anyone.